Hi, this is Ritika Amit Kumar, the co-founder of The Young Chronicle. If you ask me what The Young Chronicle is, a product or a service, I would call it a drive that connects moms and women who are keen to extend their knowledge to as many children and are just looking for a platform like ours. I'm now going to take you through a whiteboard presentation of what The Young Chronicle is and how it plans to change the way children see the world. The Young Chronicle uses artificial and mommy intelligence, that is MI, to create content that spans across news, space, technology, biology, culture, inventions, and all the knowledge under the sun, that too in 7 different reading levels that have been created after tuning internationally renowned lexical scores to the Indian market after much textual and market analysis. It's been seen on our app that 61% children in class 5 can read English at level 7, whereas 23% can read only level 2 or less. Imagine this in a classroom environment. Our app has been built and the content is created by a team that has experience across domains. In fact, we've been part of ET Power of Ideas, FB Start, and She Leads Tech, and have been covered by Your Story as well. At the end of the day, we want to reach that stage so that when a child asks a question, the parent just says, okay, go to the Young Chronicle, you'll definitely find the answer there. We also want knowledge to transcend geographical boundaries and reading levels. And everything on the app is tied to analytics. So every parent and teacher gets tools to understand where the child's interests and potential lies. We really hope that you guys like what we are doing and you support us to reach the next level. Thank you.